Saturday afternoon here at the Olivares College Gym. This is Javi Palanya alongside Coach Mike Perez and Ms. Mika Abisamis. Ilo in Sarangani by an average of 23 points per game.
Yeah, and dun makikita mo yung dominance. I mean, it goes set a lot of learnings from that last game against Marikina where they struggled from the start.
Corner pocket three, that's Orlan Omar connecting from the outside. 3 attempts already and still no field goals in this game for Pangasinan. Malonzo will try from the outside and just his luck able to hit that created by Coach Jerson Cabiltes for the start of this season, but somehow he hasn't really been getting a lot of minutes on the floor and has only been averaging 2. Jeff Havillonar. Valencio turns the corner. Back pass, Mabulak, push shot is good.
Nasabihin ko pa naman sana kanina.
At point guard spot instead of Hesed Gabo.
I think that's a really good strategy for Pangasinan because in that game against Marikina, as you see that layup shot by Dakiwag in that game against...
Kick out to Gabo. Shot clock winding down. Valencio from the corner, yes sir!
Ayan naman, bigat sa combination ni Hesed Gabo.
Dakiwag looking at his options. Dakiwag, step back jumper, that's too strong. Offensive rebound, Mabulak off the back.
And that's really good firepower for San Juan too. Oh,
Gabo, the lob and the connection with Vince Tolentino. How beautiful was that?
Got it. Perfect pass from Hesed.
Well, he knew that the calculation, the trust, and of course the expertise in making that time. Just like how Zach Wang, out to Soberano, extra pass. Wamar, step to the side, 3, nothing but net.
From one 3-point guy to another.
Tied at 16 all. This is Javi Palanya alongside Coach Mike Perez and Ms. Mika Abisamis. AC Soberano who had 20 points in that last game that they...
Dito sa San Juan at medyo choosing to be more deliberate half court itong Pangasinan.
Gamboa extends the lead to 3. 19-16. Coach, San Juan may not be one of the tallest teams here in the league, but you can tell by the first 3 games that they had that this is a... Gamboa, sorry, that's AJ Miranda with the basketball. Miranda all the way for 2.
Oh man, AJ, he's the most dangerous guy on the floor. Anyone who's got that leather.
Here he is once again, attracting the defense and drops it off. Zach Wang scores inside.
Going to open spaces, you have to be very active defensively.
Dakiwag making AC Soberano pay for that gamble.
Hanggang sa dulo to, magandang pupukan.
Field goal percentage in the first quarter was just under 40%, but both teams right now, ito si JR Kaasi. Melencio could not hit from the free throw line. Dakiwag from the outside, that's a 3-pointer for Ed Dakiwag.
Yeah.
Lamangan dito ng San Juan. Wang almost traveled. May have shuffled his pivot foot there. No whistle blown, but instead the floater good. Doesn't wait for backup. That's off to the left. Zach Wang inside hand scoop is good. That's another 2 points para kay Zach Wang.
He's very active.
Coach, what can you say about Zach Wang? I just love how he's able to balance having that finesse type of game offense.
Hindi naman kailangan sikat na sikat yung mga player na kukunin mo. It's really just getting those talents. Ooh, and Kaasi with a good finish inside of the feed by Melencio and
get that offensive rebound. Unfortunately, Pangasinan comes up with it. Mabulak running the floor. He has Kaasi on the left. Kaasi will score.
Sigurado ako yung Pangasinan.
Wang able to save it. Galinato. Panganiban, left-hand finish. That's good. 2 points more for San Juan. They're back in the lead.
In terms of field goal attempts, that only goes to show that not all the time that they go down, they get a field goal attempt. But you see Ian right now down on the floor.
Team San Juan. Panganiban looking up. Galinato, the running start. Galinato leans in. Galinato will score.
Napakasarap na magkaroon ng isang playoffs last year. Every time na nagmimintis ng free throws. See a 3 here made by Robin. He's one of those guys that we...
Here for the Knights. Panganiban turns the corner. Panganiban gets bumped. Panganiban will score off the glass.
Matic nung
blank miss for the Heat Waves. Wamar bounces it off. Gamboa, 1-2 step through the lane. That's 2 points para kay Arvin Gamboa.
Apat naman. Because you have got guys outside that can actually pick it up and run the other way.
Panganiban gets the smaller Robin. What a quick spin to the baseline. The rebound goes to Orlan Mamar. Mamar cross over through the middle, finger rolls it for 2. Orlan Mamar, two of the finest point guards here in the league, but Mamar has been getting the better of that so far as he sets up another teammate. That's Nico Panganiban. Ngayon dito para sa Pangasinan.
At ganun yung nagiging possession nila eh. May tira, papasok, lumalabas, or point blank, nagmimintis pa rin. Samantalang sa kabilang side, ganyan na nangyayari, Javi.
He's dishing, he's scoring, he's orchestrating, he's doing everything here for the Knights. Bautista to answer. Finally, that's a basket much needed for Pangasinan. Check out of the game in favor of JR Kaasi, and that's a tip by Mike Malonzo.
Look at ball screen siya nagraran.
On the other side though, everybody here has been pitching in, especially that man on your
which is the right thing to do. Ito, konting stagger sa taas.
Oh, that's definitely a foul. Melencio in of those sermons. Wang from the elbow, he has really worked on that jumper.
Yeah, and
for Pangasinan, Melencio looking inside, Mabulak able to gain some space, and that's 2 points para sa Heatwaves.
I'm just surprised si Derek hindi kinukuha si Jinggoy. Nag-free throw after. Oh, good cut by Kaasi.
Wheeling and deal. San Juan looking very good still here in the second half against Pangasinan.
Yeah, and the point production really just keeps on going up. 15, 18, and 21. Samantalang, you know, the goals, kasi hayaan muna natin kung nasaan tayo. Tingnan natin kung paano.
Ooh. Whoa, Arvin Gamboa getting the sidestep. Mapua Cardinal. Melencio to William Moore. Swishes it through. Yeah, again, just like I mentioned, Soberano taking his time, gets the step on Melencio. Ian able to recover, but AC Soberano, the gifted scorer that he is.
Oh man,
a little less English on that shot, but here, specialty of the house, AC Soberano.
And he's picking his right spots.
That's 12 now in the ball game para kay AC Soberano. The answer quickly right there by Ian Melencio.
Yeah.
Dakiwag looks at the shot clock. It reads 8. Dakiwag for 3. Dakiwag will knock it down.
Now if you're
bounce pass, Hernandez walking a tightrope on that baseline. Gamboa leaves it for Zach Wang, and he kisses it off the glass.
Rolling, he's done everything.
Yes, 12 points in this game. Here he is guarding Mike Mabulak. Forced shot, but no problem right there by Mike Mabulak. Working the two-man game with Gamboa on top. Nobody boxing out Paulo Hernandez, and Gamboa is all alone for those 2 points.
Side action.
Dakiwag, another three-pointer here. He has made his last. Soberano loses it for a bit. They give it up. Tajonera, he has that. Tajonera, what a big shot! All 5 white shirts back on defense, but no problem for Ed Dakiwag. Little resistance coming from the interior defense. With 15 points already. Soberano drops it off. Zach Wang, basket and 1.
Boy, I just...
Gabo. Back out. Melencio from the outside. Say no more. JR Kaasi. A chance once again for the Heatwaves. Melencio will not hesitate. Melencio will score as we now enter the final 2 minutes. Melencio snaking his way past the defense. Gabo, this will be big. Hesed Gabo for 3. Pangasinan putting on the pressure heavily here. Galinato almost lost it. Wamar bullets a pass. Soberano swishes it through. Ball earlier for Pangasinan. The answer by AC Soberano. Melencio, quick shot. Kaasi on the reverse.
Now they're still in this.
Got Melencio on his behind. Gamboa on the roll. Wang gives it up. Galinato, baseline J. Nothing but nylon. Galinato. Inbounds to Orlan Wamar. Wamar all alone for 2 points. What a breakdown. 5 on the floor para sa Pangasinan. That's a big 3 missed by Ralph Robin. And that just might be...